Meron pong kasunod na picture yan na makikita niyo po na puro pera lang ang laman.
No, maybe you can identify the people in the picture first so that we can have more context. Who are the personalities involved, and are these personalities named by anyone in the course of the inquiry already? Sino po yung mga nasa litrato?
There are previous employees of Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
Sino-sino po yung itong mga ito? Mga pangalan, kailangan ko magbigay ng pangalan.
Dating Assistant District Engineer po Rafaelito Marcelo, dati pong Maintenance Chief Ernesto Daos, Planning Chief Ernesto Galang, Administrative Officer Evelyn De Jesus, Chief Ruben Santos ng Materials and Testing, at yung accountant po namin na si Chief Jun Mendoza, at saka si District Engineer Henry Alcantara po, ang aming boss, at saka po si Yusek Robert Bernardo po.
Would it be possible kung may isa-isa, kaya bang ma-point yung mga faces on the screen?
Okay na yun siguro. I think everyone, the names have been stated already. It's okay, Congresswoman Ko. Thank you. Okay, we can proceed to the next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila, hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, you have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm sorry.
You have to state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler, na ito nga po yung parang sa 10 po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear, who are the personalities, please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po, at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know